Want to transfer funds? There's more than one way to do it. Electronic funds transfer allows you to transfer funds to accounts either within the same bank or to a different bank using your computer or smartphone at any time and from anywhere. Let's have a look at the three main types of electronic funds transfer. National Electronic Funds Transfer or NEFT, Real-Time Gross Settlement or RTGS, Immediate Payment Service or IMPS. NEFT transactions are settled in batches as per specific time slots defined by the Reserve Bank of India. There are 12 settlement batches from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. on weekdays and 6 settlement batches from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Saturdays. Let's have a look at some of the other features of NEFT. Transactions are settled in batches. No minimum transfer cap. Maximum cap, rupees 10 lakh. Receiver details needed. Name, account number, bank name, and IFSC code. NEFT charges depend on the amount and nature of transaction. Inward transactions at destination bank branches for credit to beneficiary accounts. Free. No charges to be levied from beneficiaries. Outward transactions at originating bank branches. Charges applicable for the remitter. For transactions up to rupees 10,000, not exceeding rupees 2.50 plus service tax. For transactions above rupees 10,000 up to rupees 1 lakh, not exceeding rupees 5 plus service tax. For transactions above rupees 1 lakh and up to rupees 2 lakh, not exceeding rupees 15 plus service tax. For transactions above rupees 2 lakh, not exceeding rupees 25 plus service tax. If you need to urgently transfer money to another account, you can use RTGS. Through RTGS, you can transfer money in real time within the business hours of your bank. Let's have a look at some of the other features of RTGS. Minimum transfer cap, rupees 2 lakh, no upper limit. Transfers can be made in real time. Receiver details needed, name, account number, bank name, and IFSC code. RTGS charges are outlined in the table here. Inward transactions, free, no charge to be levied. Outward transaction, rupees 2 lakh to rupees 5 lakh, not exceeding rupees 30 per transaction. Above rupees 5 lakh, not exceeding rupees 55 per transaction. IMPS allows you to instantly transfer funds to any account through your phone or online banking at any hour of the day. The biggest advantage here is that you don't have to wait for the business hours of the bank. Let's check out the features of IMPS. Available 24/7. Offered on all phones through mobile banking. Receiver details needed. Mobile number, mobile money identifier, MMID, a 7-digit number issued by the bank upon registration. Transaction charges. For transactions up to rupees 10,000, not exceeding rupees 2.50 plus service tax. For transactions above rupees 10,000 up to rupees 1 lakh, not exceeding rupees 5 plus service tax. For transactions above rupees 1 lakh and up to rupees 2 lakh, not exceeding rupees 15 plus service tax. For transactions above rupees 2 lakhs, not exceeding rupees 25 plus service tax. Worried about the safety of electronic funds transfers? There is nothing to worry about because transfers are authorized only with complete details. In case you make a mistake, the bank won't authorize the transfer. All types of electronic funds transfer are different from each other, but each one of them is equally safe and effective. Use the one which suits your needs the best.
So in this video it explains you it's all about the money. Okay, the electronic fund transfer can be done either of these three modes. Okay, in next video we will see about the UPI and how this UPI works, what enables the app to transfer money. There is no bank required, there is no bank details required to create UPI account. So if required, you can if you add it, you can transfer that transaction amount which you have it in UPI account can be transferred to your bank also. Okay, we'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much.